Hi, I'm Ruben McRae with Integrity Blinds and Shutters. The Hunter Douglas PowerView app is an excellent tool to help you get the most out of your motorized products. In this video, we'll walk you through the major features of the app. When you open the app, you will see 5 buttons on the bottom of the screen. The dashboard, the first option on the left, is essentially the home screen. You can customize this tab to your preferences, creating shortcuts that allow you to access other features all in one spot. Keep in mind that your dashboard is specific to your device, not your account. So if you're logged into a phone and an iPad, for instance, each one could have their own dashboard. While you're in the dashboard, if your Bluetooth is on and you are near a shade, controls for that room should pop up on the screen. Next, we have Rooms. In this tab, you can see all the rooms in your home that have PowerView products. You can control all the products together or individually. To move a single shade, click on the product from within the app and slide to raise or lower. To control multiple shades at once, you can press and hold a shade until it turns orange, then select any shades you wish to move. Then you can move them together with the slider. If you see a broken chain symbol on any of the shades, that means there's a connection issue between the app and that product. At the bottom of the Rooms tab, you'll also be able to see any scenes you've set for your shades in that room. A scene is a preset position you can create for any number of shades you want. The Scenes tab is where you can see a list of all scenes for your home. The app automatically builds an open and closed position for each room, but you can also customize to your preference. To create a scene, click the 3 buttons in the upper right corner. In the Schedules tab, you can activate those scenes you created for specific times of the day. You can even have them operate at sunrise and sunset, a feature that's based on your location. To create a schedule, click the 3 dots in the upper corner. Finally, we have the More tab. This is the miscellaneous section of the app, where you can see details like how many users are connected, updates that are available, as well as other settings. From here, you'll receive important notifications, like when your shades have low batteries or there's a network error. Most users don't spend too much time on this tab, but it's a helpful tool, especially when troubleshooting an issue. For more tips on how to care for your window treatments, check out the other videos on our channel or visit our website at integrityshutters.com.